The Mi 11X comes in two variants, one with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, and the other with 8GB of RAM and the same amount of space. Xiaomi has used UFS 3.1 storage and LPDDR5 RAM. It's powered by the new Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 SoC. It will be able to handle average everyday tasks with ease, as well as deliver immersive gaming sessions. The Mi 11X is able to handle most major titles such as COD Mobile and Asphalt 9 Legends with ease. Audio output is a pleasant surprise even at high volumes. Dolby Atmos can be tweaked using the Video Toolbox overlay, and the improvement in clarity is immediately audible. Alright, now to the look and feel of the Mi 11X. Though it has a very subtle design, there are eye-catching elements that make it compelling. The glossy finish at the back adds to the premium look. The Mi 11X is dust and water resistant up to the IP53 standard, and the front and rear are reinforced with Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The 6.67-inch AMOLED panel has a 120Hz maximum refresh rate with support for HDR10+ and a 1300 nit peak brightness rating. Even under bright sunlight, you'll be able to read text and watch videos easily. It's a feature-rich phone with a top-tier processor, a great screen, a decent set of cameras, and quite a few little premium touches. The stereo speakers make it great for entertainment, and the IP rating as well as fast charging are always good to have.